Bamboo Love. What would you love to learn about today? Shadows! What a great-looking sandcastle. Did you make it? Bamboo Love, where are you? Oh, there you are. You're so funny. Those are pretty shells. Where will they go? 1, 2, 3, and 4. That looks good.
Huh?
Oh, I see. You need one more shell for the big tower. No more shells here?
Mm-mm.
Are you going to look for shells somewhere else?
Mm-hmm.
That's your shadow you see in front of you. It's there because the sun is shining on you. You are blocking the sun's rays, and that makes a dark shape, and that's called your shadow. I've forgotten what we were looking for. Of course, you are looking for a shell. Hooray! You found a shell.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I see. Your shadow is gone. That big cloud is blocking the light from the sun, so it can't make your shadow. And now it's starting to rain. It looks like you're having fun splashing in those puddles. Is there something bigger that might block the rain? The umbrella! It is blocking the rain. Good job. Oh no! What a strong wind! What will you do now? Oh, good digging. And here comes Duck to play with you. Well, even though the sun is gone and it's raining, you're still having a good playtime. What a clever Bamboo Love. Today, Bamboo Love learned about shadows. She learned that shadows are made by light from the sun, creating shadows.